And more breaking news coming in. CNN-News18 has accessed the police objections filed in Srikanth Poojari's bail hearing, ladies and gentlemen. The cops tell the court that Pujari has been booked in 16 cases without revealing that he has been set free in 12 of these cases with undertakings given in another 3 cases. Police say Pujari has failed to appear before the magistrate earlier, and if given bail, he might once again not appear. That is the pitch that is coming in from the police when it comes to denying bail to Srikanth Poojary. But at the same time, what we have learned also from government documents is that he was given an undertaking for good behavior in 3 cases. Remember, in 2004, 2009 and 2018, that undertaking was taken and then he was released. So he has been on the police radar. I'm joined by my colleague Harish Upadhyay on the broadcast. So Harish, this appeal by the police when it comes to Srikanth Poojari's bail, the counter to it is very strong at the end of the day, given the fact that he was always on the police's radar. But at the same time, do you think that they're trying to keep Srikanth Poojary inside prison based on this technicality that he skipped some summons from the magistrate? And can you tell us how old is this summons from this magistrate which the police alleges that he skipped, because of which they're seeking an extension of his remand?
Well, 2 aspects here. One, the argument of the police that he has failed to appear before the court earlier and he might once again not appear before the court. That's one of the main arguments of the police who filed their objections. Here, 2 aspects. One, he might have skipped summons in this particular case, but he's not somebody who is absconding. He's appeared in front of the court in other cases. He's appeared before the police, going by their own documents put out, where they're saying that in 3 different cases that he has given an undertaking to them. In 3 other cases, he was fined. So he was clearly before the Hubli police and the
Right, we'll try to reconnect with Harish over there. We've lost that line with him, but that is the pitch that's coming in from the Karnataka police, ladies and gentlemen. They have said that Srikanth Poojary has failed to appear before the court in one particular case, which is why they're seeking an extension of the remand. Harish is back with us to get us more details when it comes to the twists and turns surrounding this case. Harish, please continue. What were you saying?
But if you look at the objections filed and the wordings of this objection, it talks about 16 cases that Srikanth Poojary has in the Hubli Police Commissionerate. But at the same time, it doesn't give the court the whole details. It doesn't talk that Srikanth Poojary in 12 of those cases has been set free. In 3 other cases, he has given an undertaking to the Hubli Dharwad police. And even there, he's somebody who's appeared before the police whenever there has been a precautionary arrest. So it's just one active case that is against him. And that's the case where he currently has been arrested and is seeking bail. So perhaps the wordings of this particular objections file do not give the entire picture, going by what the police had put out earlier in terms of the status report of the cases against Srikanth Poojary. And this is something that the BJP has been talking about. They are saying, one, although the
Right, we'll try to reconnect with Harish over there. We're having some trouble with his line. But at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, as Harish was pointing out, the police has told the court that there are 16 cases against Srikanth Poojary. But what they failed to mention to the court is that out of 12 of those cases, from those 16, he has been freed. And in 3 other cases, remember, he was summoned in 2004, 2009 and 2018. In 3 of those cases, an undertaking was taken that he will abide by the law. It's called a good behavior undertaking, which can only be given once the individual appears before the court. It can't be done in absentia. And in that case, there's only one case over this entire remand is hinging upon. But the police is telling the court that there are 16 cases against him, but they are not mentioning that 12 cases he has been freed, and in 3 cases there is an undertaking. So when it comes to the version of the police over Srikanth Poojary's remand, there are glaring inconsistencies, but the politics over this matter continues to escalate.